Welcome. If you have ever pinned a message in Messenger and now want to unpin it, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps so you can unpin with ease and keep your chats clean and organized. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Once you are inside, head to the conversation where you've pinned the message. At the top of the screen, tap the person's name or profile picture. This takes you into the chat details and settings for that specific conversation. Next, look for pinned messages. It's usually listed among the chat options, and tapping it will show all the messages you've pinned in that conversation. If you don't see pinned messages right away, scroll or check any menu tabs within the chat details until you locate the pinned items. Now comes the unpinning step. Find the pinned message you want to remove from its pinned spot. Do a long press on that message. A small action menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Unpin. The message will immediately drop from the Pin section and return to its normal place within the chat thread. If you decide you want to unpin more than one message, repeat the long press and unpin action for each pin you wish to remove. There's no rush, and you can do them one by one as you review your pin list. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you're not seeing the Pinned Messages option, make sure your Messenger app is up to date, as updates often reorganize where certain features live. If you're using Messenger via a web browser or a different device, the steps are similar, but the interface might look a bit different. In that case, look for pinned messages within the chat details or settings of the specific conversation. That's all there is to unpinning messages in Messenger with the latest updates. It's a simple cleanup that helps you focus on the conversations that matter most. If you found this helpful, drop a comment with any other Messenger tips you'd like a quick walkthrough for.